Okay, guys, I was wondering if there's anybody out there that can help me understand this problem I'm having on Power Director 15 or any ideas on how to correct this. What's happening is this. Okay, to my projects. Okay, so for example, here's a little video clip, and I will drag this down to the timeline. Now watch what happens on this one. It does this. It covers the entire timeline from top to bottom, all tracks with this highlighted blue. I can't put it, see my mouse going up and down, I can't put it on track 2, 3, or 1, or wherever I want. It's just like this, and if I release, it does this. Okay, it puts it there. So let's just say we put that first video on track 1, as we usually do. Then I'll drag this next video clip. Let's say I want to have this on track 2. Watch what happens here. Drag it down. Same thing. Top to bottom, it covers all tracks. I can't put it anywhere. And then I'll show you what it does. I'll release the mouse button and it sticks it right there. Well, I don't want it there. I want it on track 2, of course. So I'm going to select that and remove. And that highlighted blue area, the width of it depends on how long the video is. For instance, here's basement 1 clip. It's a long clip, so I'll show you what that'll do. I'll bring that down to the timeline, and boom, look at that. That's a long video, and so therefore the highlighted blue is longer. I can't bring it down. I want it to go to track 2. Can't make it track 2. I can move it left and right a little bit. Now I'll release my left mouse button, and it gives me this message. CyberLink Power Director cannot open this media file because it was moved or is missing. Check that it's available and then try again. It's an MP4. I've been getting this message a lot, and I don't quite know what to do with it, so rather than make any changes, I click ignore. So I'll click ignore and watch what happens next. And there it goes. Somebody's calling, hang on. So we can see what happens there. Now I want to remove that whole thing. Well, I can't just click it, select. It'll just remove one split, so I'll go ahead and undo, and that gets rid of that. This one is still here. No matter what I do, I cannot move any of these down into the timeline. The next interesting thing that is happening here is if I drag that same exact video from a folder, this is the exact same video right here, Science and DNA. Now I'm going to drag it from the folder to the timeline as opposed to dragging it from the media library, and watch what happens on this one. Okay, I want it to go here to track 2, and you can see it does this, and I will release and drop. This message pops up. You have not saved the changes you made to the current project. Do you want to save the changes now? I don't know what changes they're talking about or what exactly will happen if I click yes. So I will click no, and it gives me another message. Would you like to merge your project's media library files with the current media files in this library? Probably yes would be okay. I'll click yes. Updating timeline data, and look what it's done. It has removed the video that I previously put there. Strange situation. I don't know what's happening. If any of you Power 15 guru guys or anybody knowledgeable on this Power Director 15 program can help me out, I certainly would appreciate it, and leave me comments on what to do about this. I just don't know. Thank you. I'm looking forward to your comments. Bye-bye.